Okay, hi class. Just wanted to go over a couple of things for the next stage of our project. So we're going to be um, moving our sketches, our thumbnail sketches that you guys worked on, and into a more detailed sketch, and then into Illustrator. Right now, we have two check-in dates to work on our illustration next week and the week following. Let's see how it kind of goes, and if the majority of the class needs the extra time, I will consider extending the deadline. But if the majority of everybody is, doing pretty good, I think we'll be on target. So on my screen, as you can see, I have the rough sketch, the rough thumbnail that that I want to kind of move forward with, right? With my cover design. I chose the story, The Stone Soup, from our list of folk tales. So once you figured out which folk tale you want to illustrate for, and double check the project sheet for the details of like the little summaries of them, and the Google link. But I chose The Stone Soup. So this was one of my rough thumbnails from last, I guess, for this week. So you guys are doing this, but for next week, I'm showing you the next stage. So you're going from the rough thumbnail, right, into a more detailed sketch. So this is my more detailed sketch. As you can see, I've got my title. I've rearranged the hands a little bit. I've added the author, the cover design credit. Obviously, it's going to be me. And it will be you on yours. I've added a definition to the cauldron, right, that their hands are over. And in looking above, like that bird's eye view, I wanted to add some detail to the tile, or the floor that you're looking up at. And then these different hands are holding different vegetables. This is spice, like salt or like some spices. This is garlic. This is spring onions, tomato, and carrot. And I just wanted to make sure that I knew which vegetables I was using, right? And I could use that to kind of plan, like, what I will draw. Also, just so you know, when I was sketching out or thinking about the different fruit, I made another little mini sketches that I'm going to use as a reference. And I'm just showing you these. So I'm going to use them so I can trace them. So they're a little bit more defined than the one in that bigger sketch. Just a quick note. I know for this drawing, it feels like it could be a little dark. So I actually, if you take a picture, I took a picture with my phone and I emailed it to myself. And I actually, if you want to make your sketches a little bit brighter, it might not have come out as clear. You can go to image adjustments and you can go to levels. Okay. And then here, this is the bright in your file. these are the dark tones in your file, and you can see just that subtle change. Adds a little bit more definition. And this is the mid-tones. So if you want to do that. And it's just a little bit brighter. I think it'll be helpful for me. But just in case you might need that, I wanted to show that to you guys. So I just wanted to show you my two sketches, like the difference between my rough sketch and my more detailed sketch for this first little segment of the video. And then the next video, I'm going to show you how we're bringing this detailed sketch and the other little mini illustrations into Illustrator. Okay? So I'll see you in the next one.